I guess I'm not surprised.
Oh, thank you.
That's for your new airplane.
Okay. And it's a tool set.
Wow. 119 piece multi-use tool set.
Mm-hmm.
Does it all come in a little case?
Yep. One case, little pockets for everything.
SAE and metric.
You know,
That's about
I was going to bring one
Don't
with
you think
me,
that's enough?
but I didn't get it organized in time to bring it. So I'm glad you did this.
Well, they say you need to carry one with you,
Yeah.
and that's about as compact as you can get and still have everything in it.
It's got everything, that's for sure.
You want me to take that sticker? They just don't fit tight.
They just left it open. They didn't even bother to close it. I mean, if
I
I
took
was
it,
gonna
just grabbed a
sell
couple
one,
pairs of pliers and
I
figured
think
I
I
could
would
take
have
it
put
from
it
there.
together.
The only thing I could see you need probably be a set of channel locks and a pair of vice grips.
Yeah.
Don't you loving these men talk tools? Ah!
It just goes right over my head.
Well, yeah, but I mean, the fact that they understand each other.
That's
like
why I
this
don't know what
whole-
a set of tools gonna do him in an airplane, because you can't stop and get out and fix it.
Well, you can land and get out and fix it.
Hopefully it's already fixed so you can
But,
land.
yeah. But see, the one good thing is, airplanes do glide. So if the engine cuts off, you can kind of, the wings will kind of keep you up, right? That's what he keeps telling me.
Yeah.
You can glide on down to land safely.
Yeah.
I really like this box.
It's
Yeah.
strange the things that they pick up they like, aren't they?
Right.
They'll buy a bunch of toys and they'll find a little box they
Well,
like.
this is not, it looks like a toothbrush,
Opening,
but it's not
closing,
for
putting
teeth.
things
It's
in.
made out of
Yeah.
metal. It's for cleaning things.
Turn it around.
Take them out.
Well,
One at
it's
a time,
rectangle,
put it back. Okay.
you know?
This is called a light tester.
White.
Let's see here, where's the other battery?
The one that wouldn't work.
Yeah, that's right.
I think I put it near the,
That's okay. Don't worry about it. Those are sockets.
Pliers, Daddy. I have them pliers.
Yeah, those are called needle nose pliers. Those can go in there.
this is neat.
My sister has a screwdriver.
Well, she wanted one to put
She
up.
does.
Yeah.
She loves Barbies.
She has everything in here.
Oh, she does?
Yeah.
Wow, she must be pretty handy.
I didn't even notice
Yeah,
it
she
was a Barbie
moved
until I
out
started
before
wrapping
the
it.
airplane. But
I
now
know
Look at all the stuff in it.
Yeah, because they have a Barbie and a, let's see, Kelly and Tommy.
This is the ratchet.
It's a Barbie, it's a what?
It's a Kelsey.
Whoa,
I
it's
know.
heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Sandy has a heavy one.
But they make them, I mean,
Heavier one.
they package them even just
My
so much alike.
They sure do.
You wouldn't know.
How about
See,
this?
does that go to anything? No.
These are called
Good try
wires.
not to throw anything away that's
What
not
are these?
supposed to be.
Those are wire connectors.
Can we put them on there?
Well, you use this to put those on the wires. Yeah, we don't have any wires to put them onto it.
Did you look at that book?
This one.
I thought you'd really like this little play set, because Victoria has a school bus with little people in it. So I figured I'd get the play school to go with the school bus. But
Wake up.
Very cool.
bus? Yeah, the bus is at home.
Okay.
You want to sit and read a story? Okay.
Okay, Papa.
All right, we can look at the book. Mickey's. Am I not doing this right? No pulling on the shirt or the necklace.
Very great.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mickey's Walt Disney World Adventure.
Wow, what's that? Can I
I've had such fun today,
Just
Mickey,
pull wrench.
exclaimed Minnie Mouse. There's there's so much to do here at Walt Disney World. The rides, the shops, the movies, and of course the yummy snacks. I had fun too, Mickey said. And I can't wait to lead the parade tonight. I'll get to wear my brand new drum major's hat. Oh yes, Minnie said. You look great in that new hat, Mickey. Why don't you try it on right now? Good idea, Mickey answered. But you turned the page before I was done. I have it right. Oh no, where could it be? I had it with me all day. I must have left it someplace. I can't lead the parade without my hat, Mickey cried. The drum major's hat is special. It has such bright colors and matches my uniform. Okay, this is good. I'll help you look. Gosh, thanks, Minnie, Mickey said. Come on, our last stop was Space Mountain. They headed back to the ride. Mickey and Minnie held on as they rode the ride. Then they found their friend Donald at their next stop, the Grand Prix Raceway. I haven't seen your hat, Donald said, but I just saw Goofy. He was wearing a new hat. Thanks anyway, Donald. Mickey and Minnie searched all over Tomorrowland for the missing hat.
Maybe we
Let's
should,
catch
but
the
she lives up in
Skyway.
Virginia, doesn't she?
They are floating high above Fantasyland. Mickey and Minnie saw several. What's this? Faces at the
So where's she
Small
standing?
World. Hi, said Daisy Duck. Don't you just love this ride? Yes, said
Oh, she
Minnie.
is, huh?
Then
I
she told
haven't seen
Daisy
her
about
yet.
Mickey's missing hat. I haven't seen it, Daisy said. But I heard Goofy got a new hat.
Yes, I remember.
Said Mickey. That's what Donald said. There we go. Next stop, Frontierland. Gee, it would be fun to take the riverboat ride. We'll do that next time. We better check Big Thunder Mountain. Don't worry, Mickey. We'll find your hat. Maybe we should check the Haunted Mansion next. When they reached Liberty Square,
Okay.
the ghost said something. Minnie laughed as... Get it started for